5. Failed. I woke up at 4:47. I was like, yeah, I still got a bit of time. I'll go back to sleep for 10 minutes. The time is, well, I'm downstairs at 5:29. I did get up at 5:26. Oh, I don't know if this challenge was a good idea. Anyways, day 1. Let's hope I get better by day 7. I'm going to eat my breakfast because I'm hungry. See you later. So it's now, what's the time? 10 to 10. I've been up and awake downstairs. I'm in the office now, but at home since 26 minutes past 5. Oh, I'm so tired. But I'm hoping that will all change. We'll see. I'm just tired. I don't know why I do these stupid challenges. Right, I'm gonna get on with some work before I fall asleep at my desk. So after my first early morning, I've now made it to bed. It's not late, it's only 6 minutes past 9, but I'm not actually even tired. It's really bizarre. Now you'd think being up from around 5, I'd be exhausted, but I'm actually not. So yes, we'll see how I get on with day 2. Hope I feel a bit better than today. But I'm hoping by the end of the week that I'll be a bit more energized, because obviously my sleep is becoming a proper pattern than what it has been. Because to be honest, my sleeping's been a bit shocking, to be honest. So yeah, I might be a bit more, energized, and because sleep plays a big part in your sort of weight loss and healthy eating. Because if you're not getting enough sleep, or the right amount of sleep, it's not gonna, it just affects it. So yeah, so good night people, and I'll see you on day 2. So although the time is 5:40, you can see up there, I have actually been awake since 5, but I had such a restless night that I just sort of laid in bed. So I'm up about 20 past 5. I don't feel as tired as I did yesterday. As you can see, I've got big puffy hair, so I need to go and straighten that. I'm gonna have 10 minutes on the Wii Fit on yoga. I thought having a bit of yoga this morning might just stretch my muscles, and yeah, I feel good actually. Like, considering yesterday I got up and I was like, oh my god, why am I doing this? I actually feel so much better. So I'm gonna go on yoga, straighten my hair. I've already got a load of washing in the machine. Oh, I'm winning at this early morning stuff. See you later. So you guys can still see I'm in bed. It is 20 past 11 on a Saturday. Oh, it's been manic the last 2 days. So Thursday night, Alexi was part of the Young Voices concert at the O2, which was amazing. If you have never been, go and watch. The kids are fabulous. So we didn't get back home till 11:15. So Friday I didn't get up till 7 o'clock. None of us did. We were all so tired. So my 5 o'clock start didn't go too well, and nor did this morning. Paul went to work. I'm still tired now. Pardon me. So I didn't get up again until about 7. I'm not doing very well this summer. It's just It's like the last 2 days it's just been absolutely crazy, and like the late nights have really caught up on me. So I'm just laying here. The kids are just playing in their bedrooms and I'm just lying here. I don't know what to do with myself. Although I do feel, apart from today, apart from today, the last few days I've had a lot more energy getting up early, and I like did 10 minutes of yoga the other morning, which was so nice. So I'm just gonna have this day now just to recharge my batteries, and then I'm gonna be back on the old 5 o'clock start, because I know it's gonna make a difference. I know it is. I can just feel it. So yeah. But yeah, other than that, it's been quite quiet. Apart from, just going back to the Young Voices concert, there was like nearly 8,000 children from all over school choirs. It's just an amazing experience for the kids. It's fabulous. So I'm still reliving the tiredness. Oh. Sorry people, I can't help it. I'm just so tired. It's just all caught up on me. Just the late nights have just really caught up. Late night Thursday, really late night. Yesterday I went to bed about 9, but I was still so tired. So yeah, we'll try again tomorrow. See you later. Thanks, AJ.
What?
Nothing. So I was going to come on here and say, this challenge was a complete failure. But it's not. Because I just went on my Fitbit app, and all the times that I've been sleeping are on there. So I'm going to post a picture of that. It's still quite early. Just after 6. Battery's dead on my Fitbit. Good morning. A happy Sunday. Just woke up. Yeah, I don't know what I've achieved out of this challenge, to be honest. Hey AJ. Let's hope if I continue to get up early that I might see a difference. Who knows? Was this challenge proving a point? No, it didn't. Did I want it to prove a point? Yes, I did. But that's just life. What are you doing, you strange little human? What are you doing? Don't show everybody your time. So yeah, that was my challenge this week. As you can see, he's not going to let me film anymore. So I'm going to go and I've had my breakfast, like you can see my bowl out there. I'm going to go and do my usual Sunday chores and sing them up extra early. I'll probably finish them extra early, which is probably a part of the reason why I wanted to do this challenge. So I could stop. So I could get more done in the day. So yeah, I'm going to go because he's going to try and cut you guys off. And I will see you all tomorrow because tomorrow is Wednesday. See you later.